Good morning, everybody. I'm Miss Grumpy Pants. Miss Grumpy Pants right here. She's just like, Mom. Oh my goodness. So, it is currently 8:13. Graham just left about 20 minutes to go to work. So we're just chilling. I just got the kids just ate some breakfast. We had pancakes for breakfast, didn't we? Pancakes. So, that is what's going on now. Today my goal is just kind of pick up a little bit. I gotta get the dishes loaded. I have my whole top rack is completely full, but not the bottom rack. It's like I hate that. It's like I can never get it even. It's like one or the other. So so that's what's going on. I just want to pick up a little bit. I'm gonna work on my cups. I want to try to get the one cup is done as much as possible. I think I have Jules coming in the mail today. And then my Starbucks cup, I gotta find, she wants strawberries, so I gotta find some strawberries that I can print.
Mama, the more Jules you get, the more cups you can do.
Yeah. So that's what's going on. I ordered Jules today because I'm gonna work on, hopefully in the next week or two, Halloween ones. So I'm pretty excited. I'm gonna do a Hocus Pocus one, and then I'm also gonna do a spider web one. So Miss Charlotte is as grumpy as all can be today. Yeah. So that's what's going on, and then at 2:30 we have to go to Costco to get our tires changed, and they said it's gonna be like an hour to an hour and a half. So I'm like, I don't want to wait that long, especially in Costco, but you know what, if that happens, even if I have to go maybe walk to Cabela's or something, we will. I kind of want to go to Hobby Lobby since I'm in the area to look. They have their Christmas stuff out already, and I was thinking of maybe looking to see if I have some Christmas bows, but I got to see what I have first. But yeah, there's a couple things I want to make for wreaths, but I just want to work in the basement. So this weekend I hope to get a lot of stuff done in the basement since both of our events have been canceled, and then hopefully I have a big area where I can get my 6-foot table out and then start cutting some of my deco mesh, because I want to start making some couple things here and there. So I'm busy, but you know what, I have to keep busy with times like with everything that's going on right now. The reason why I'm hardcore into crafting is because it keeps my mind busy, and I feel like with my depression medication, with doing my daily vlogs, and doing my crafting, I feel like my sanity has been a lot better. I'm not sitting there like, I mean, I say I watch movies, you guys. I don't sit and just watch movies. I barely have time to just sit and watch. I usually have it like as a background noise. And like the kids don't sit there and watch movies. We just have it most of the time as just background noise. But I feel like without that stuff, I would be super depressed. Like, it is a very depressing world. We don't know when the light at the end of the tunnel is ever gonna show up. So, I mean, with school going on, I don't know what's going on. Ben keeps asking about his birthday, and it's like I want him to have somewhat of a birthday party, even if we can't do much. So I'm gonna let you guys go. I'm gonna do a grumpy pants right here, and I will catch you guys back when I'm dressed. So it is 11:24. Got dressed. I finished the one of the cups that I was working on. I still have a couple cups that I need to work on, which I am still working on it. I just can't overwhelm myself. But I got this little strawberry one done for Monique. I have to send her a picture of it, but I just went outside to take a picture. So I love the way it turned out. Super excited the way it turned out. So there's that, and then I just finished the video of how I made this cup, and I'll be making more videos. It's gonna suck once winter happens, you guys, because it gets so cold out that I can't spray paint as easily because it's so cold outside. So I'm like, ugh. So that's what's going on with me. We have to leave. I think our appointment's at 2:30, so I gotta leave at 2 o'clock. But I have an alarm from Alexa to let me know that the appointment's happening. But I've had a breakfast. I've already had a bowl of cereal. Now I'm just trying to figure out what else I want to do. I think I might do some more cup designing. But I have a wreath I gotta make. So I probably will go get materials for that today. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. I need to make more wreaths. They take a lot of time, but I can just sit down and do them. I can even do them while I'm on a car ride. Like, that's what I should do too. So I will catch you guys back. Oh, I have to take my medicine, so I'm gonna take my medicine. Hey, and I'll see you guys in a bit. It's 1:14. Charlotte took a 3-hour nap because she didn't get an out of sleep last night because she wanted to party, and Ben woke her up super early this morning, so she took like a 3-hour nap, which is fine because I'm hoping maybe she'll skip her second nap. But currently I am making some Santa cams just so I can have some. So I thought it'd be kind of cool to have a white one. I thought these cups are leaking. I gotta get some. I was thinking of having a white one, and then I was gonna have a green one. I was gonna have a gold one. I got a silver one, and I got a blue one. So I have, you know, not everybody wants the traditional red. Like, I would actually probably prefer silver on my tree. So that's what those gotta dry for like several hours, so that's why I'm doing that. Charlotte just left the garbage up. She's trying to pull something and all she has to do is lift the top. There you go. Look at that. So I was outside with the kids a little bit ago, and I stepped on a piece of chalk and it hurt enough where I feel like I bruised the bottom. I have a smudge on my camera because of Charlotte. But I bruised the bottom of my foot, and now it hurts to walk. So it's like I gotta put shoes on just because I hurt my foot stepping on a piece of chalk. But yeah, I actually love this. I love this. I love this. Monique, thank you. She loved it. Awesome. I don't know if I showed you guys this yet, but I take breaks on working on cups because I get overwhelmed if I just sit there for hours and hours and hours standing at the same thing. So I'm gonna work on more. I'm waiting for my mail to come, but this is what it looks like so far. And yes, this is a cooler cup. I thought I mentioned it, but it's supposed to keep your drinks cold. I don't know how cold they are supposed to keep them, but oh, it says it fits a cooler. Oh, I wonder if you gotta take it. I think what we gotta do is take the black thing off. It spins off and then you put your can in there so it doesn't come out. So I think what I'm gonna do is put a can in the fridge, and so when I get back home, I'm gonna see how long this cup can, you know, keep the thing cold. What are you trying to fit in a little tub for, you little stink butt? Okay, hey, I'll catch you guys back. So it is 4:31, we just got home. Costco kind of sucked because we had to wait an hour for our tires.
We got some cute shotguns.
Yeah, we had to wait an hour for our tires to be changed, which was fine. But there's no places to sit. You can't sit down in the food court. There's barely anything even available. But it just kind of sucked. But I went to Five Below because I wanted to go there and just look around. And I found, if you guys know, I'm a huge fan of Nickelodeon. Like, I grew up with Nickelodeon. I found this white shirt with like a bunch of characters. So we got Reptar, Angry Beavers, Rocco, Real Monsters, Wild Thornberries, Rugrats, Rocket Power. Yeah. So I got this. This was $5. I thought that was cute. It does say made in the 90s. Now, I don't know if it meant that I was born in the 90s or I'm just a 90s kid, because I remember the 90s more than I remember the 80s.
There's some shotguns I got.
Yeah. And then I got a Real Monsters t-shirt. I thought this was super cute.
Mommy,
I love these guys.
Can
you hold on for a second? Can you?
No.
So, that's what's going on.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, baby. So I'm gonna just pick up. Grandma will be home in a couple minutes, so we'll catch you guys back in a little bit. So it's like probably 8 o'clock right now. I don't know what time it is. It's 8:35, so we got that going on. I am we had a bee's nest in our front yard. It was like I saw a bunch of bees going under the bottom of this bush that we have, and then Graham ended up, you know, putting bug spray on it, and then he ended up hosing it down. Well, then they got super angry after like an hour later, and they just bit Graham in the back. So I ended up using this thing called the Bug Bite. I bought this like a month ago because we get mosquitoes really badly here, and I've been wanting to see if this works. I've read every single review and everybody says this thing works. Sorry, there's like mosquito flying around me. And it's supposed to suck up like bee stings, it's supposed to suck up mosquito bites, and I have yet to try it because I had mosquito bites on my foot, but it was a spot where it was hard to suck it out. But I just tried sucking it out of Graham's back, so I don't know if it helped or not. So if you guys try this, let me know how it goes. If I think it does work for certain things, but I don't know about bee stings. But the kids are super grumpy. Charlotte's super grumpy. Ben's super grumpy. Ben just needs to go to bed. He's not had a good day today. But happy I finished. Look at Miss Charlotte. She's like, Mom. Yeah. Okay. But I'm happy I finished one Starbucks cup. I'm working on another shirt for Amy. And then I gotta work on a couple more items that you guys messaged me about. I just gotta do it. I can't do them all at once. I have to periodically do it. So I'm working on a couple. I have to work on another cup and a t-shirt. Yeah. So I have those two items that I still gotta work on. So you guys know I'm working on it. You just gotta give me time. I mean, unless you need it really fast, just let me know. But otherwise, if you don't, I'll get to it. But don't know what we're gonna do tomorrow since both plans that we had got canceled. So what? Did you just come outside? You coming outside? Okay, Miss Charlotte wants to come outside. But yeah, so I don't know what plans we have tomorrow since everything got canceled. But Graham and I might get new phones. We've had our phones for about 3 years, and I got my phone 3 years ago on my the day before my birthday. And I really need a new upgrade on my phone just because with everything that I do and all the apps that I download, my phone really lags, and I just want to get a new updated phone so I can, you know, show you guys more deals and all that fun stuff. But yeah, so I'm gonna get the kids ready for bed. Not sure what we're gonna do tomorrow. Fun thing is, I was wearing this shirt, you guys. Okay, so this is Drowning Pool. I saw Drowning Pool the day after September 11th. So I saw him September 12th, 2001. I saw him my senior year in high school. And they signed it, the lead singer signed it, but I've worn it so many times that it got washed away. Well, I used to have band shirts all the time. I wore band shirts all the time, and I kept this one because he signed it, and then he died not that long ago. Maybe, I don't even know when he died, but the lead singer did die. And then I have a My Chemical Romance shirt, which that band is no longer, I think they're making a comeback, but they're really not there. And then I kept a Linkin Park shirt. And you know, Chester's gone, which Linkin Park was one of my ultimate favorite bands. But I'm like, really? But I remember I had tons of t-shirts, but I gave some to my brother, and then I just kind of got rid of them because I wasn't into the whole band t-shirt stage anymore. Like when I go see concerts anymore, I don't get t-shirts anymore. I mostly get programs is what I collect. So that's just cool. But I haven't worn this shirt in a very long time because I've gained so much weight. Well, this is a medium, and I actually can fit into this with room. So it's like I am losing the weight, you guys. I think I've lost like 15 pounds, but I've been drinking a lot of water. I just been drinking, you know, hold on it, darling. Here you go, here you go. Yeah, she's grumpy. So that's how my day is going. I will see you guys all tomorrow for a fun family day. Not sure what's going on, but I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.